Yo guys, how you doing? It's Jakub speaking and welcome to my gravity sketch tutorial. As we will be designing a windmill, before I even jumped into gravity sketch, first thing I did was gather some references all over the internet on how windmills work and what parts they consist of. I've seen quite a lot of windmills on the internet or in real life, but I've never paid any attention to how they work and to their details. So as right now I will be drawing one, it's high time I do it. So yeah, first thing, gather references. Okay, so before I start drawing, I jump into Reference Images tab in Gravity Sketch, and the thing I'm doing, I'm just picking them up and placing them on my empty workspace. So the best thing with Gravity Sketch is that you can put those reference images anywhere you want and resize them to any size you want. As the UI of the program is pretty much empty space, you can focus on the reference much better than searching for folders on your PC. Okay, so the windmill that got me interested the most of all I've seen on the web is the one with white sheets or white clothes. I like it very much because the general shape of the windmill is made of bricks. Then there is the roof that, for example, could be wood, and then there is those white cloths and sheets. So this is like cloth material, and also there are some ropes. So we have quite a lot of different materials on one object, and I think it's always interesting to have as many materials as you can if the object is the center of attention. So for example, as you can see on the right, there's this wooden church on a picture. It has probably only one material. It's only made of wood. Also, there's some snow on it. So there's like two different materials, and it's kind of alright, but I always like to have more if it's possible. So that's why we're picking this windmill. Alright, and let's start drawing. Right now I'm picking up the color that I want to draw with. And what I'm gonna do first is the base of the windmill, so the general big shape that is made out of bricks. And to do that, I'm gonna use the revolve tool in Gravity Sketch. It's very easy, just drawing a basic cylinder. And after I made the general shape, I can press the edit mode of this object, and as you can see, there are a lot of points that you can grab and edit, so it's super useful. Alright, I'm playing with the shape. That started looking like a wizard's hat instead of a nice roof. Too much of a fairy tale for me, so I made the roof smaller. Alright. Now I'm playing with the proportions of the general shape. So right now I'm going to the layers tab, and I'm gonna lock the layer with the general shape, so this way I won't be moving it by accident later. And I'm adding a new layer and setting it to an active layer, so we'll be drawing on this layer only. Alright, and what I'm gonna do is pick the primitive shapes tool, and I'm gonna pick a cube and make a plane out of the cube. So this way we have the object set on the ground, and this will help me later to set up the scale. So I like to have a ground as fast as I can. Alright, changing color of the ground. Alright, I have to say it feels very natural to navigate in the Gravity Sketch. Checking it from different views.